first run. Val Grenier, the 27-year-old Canadian, who had her first and only World Cup win 12 months ago on this course in Kranjska Gora, round 5. It's round 6 this year. Grenier became the first Canadian woman to win a World Cup giant slalom in about 50 years when she took that win in Kranjska Gora 12 months ago. She's backing it up 12 months on with a flying start to the second run. Val Grenier moving up through the gears now. The timing is just about perfect. She's added to her lead, building momentum all the way through. And heading in the right direction here, Val Grenier. She's nearly 6/10 up. Oh, what a performance. It's been an exhibition on the Podkoran so far from the winner 12 months ago. She's surely about to steal the lead away from the Norwegian Taylor Weese Jennison, and does so by more than a second. A massive margin for Val Grenier. 1.18 seconds. A huge lead for Grenier. Well, that coach's bonus of having her coach Pierre Mignotti in charge of the set for the second run. It's Jennison denied. She drops to second. Hector pushed to third.